Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can post on Pinterest. So to do that, you are just going to click the profile icon, which is the fourth icon on the bottom tabs. There's the home, search, message, and profile. Click on the profile one and press the plus button next to search your pins. There is create an idea pin, or board, and you are going to select pin. I'm going to post this picture. I just want to make sure that you post pictures that are yours on Pinterest. Don't take anyone else's picture and post it as your own, because your name will be sort of credited unless you provide a website. Then I think it's okay, but I'm not 100% sure. But this is my own picture, so I'm just going to press next, and I'm just going to write Sage. Sage. I'm just going to write Sage Valorant. And you can add a description, and you can even add a destination website. For instance, maybe where you got the gear, I guess, where you get the mouse, the keyboard, keycaps, etc. Press next, and I'm just going to put it in the Valorant board. And if I press on Valorant, as you can see, there is this pin, and I'm the one who uploaded it. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!